Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and in today's video I'll show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger step by step in the simplest way possible. If you've been confused about where your encrypted messages go or how to get them back, this guide will clear everything up. So now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Then make sure you're logged into your account and are using the latest version because updates often fix issues and improve security, especially for encrypted features. Step 2. Within the app, look for the menu option and tap on it. Then go straight into the settings option, which is where all your account controls and privacy tools are located. Step 3. Now scroll down until you find the privacy and safety option, open it, then navigate to the end-to-end encrypted chats menu and inside it open the message storage option. Make sure this feature is turned on so your encrypted chats are properly saved because without storage enabled, recovery becomes difficult. Step 4. After that, go back to the home screen and then open the Facebook app, making sure you're logged into the same account. Then tap on the menu icon at the top, which will lead you to all your account management tools. Step 5. From the menu, tap on the settings icon at the top and then go to the account center menu, which controls your connected Facebook and Messenger settings. Step 6. After entering this menu, tap on the Your Information and Permissions option and then click on the Export Your Information option. This tool allows you to generate downloadable files of your saved data. Step 7. Now choose the Create Export option and then select the account you want to export from to proceed. This ensures the system knows exactly which data set you want to recover. Step 8. Now, tap on the Export to Devices option and then choose the categories you want, such as customized information, date range, and format. After that, tap on the Start Export option and wait a few days until the download button appears. Once it shows up, tap on it to download your data and easily recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.